Hello everybody, it's your Monkydollqueen. I'm going on a trip out from the house, so I just wanted to take you with me today. A little bit vlogging where I'm going, and I'm going outside, you know. So I just want to take you with me today, and I'm gonna meet my boyfriend workplace and say hello to him, and then I'm gonna go to the buy some food. That's my trip today. Not so much animals everywhere. So you know, so you can see that soon I will do more funny stuff. Maybe, I don't know. But I love being here on this vacation. My life is vacation. Every day is Christmas, they say, you know. So, hello. So this is very nice. I like taking you with me on the trip. So I'm gonna show you some view, everything, you know. Pretty cool view. This is pretty cool. Monkydoll is out in the trip, in the place. You know, yes. How you been doing? Everybody fine. Everybody fine. Maybe we go down there. Yes. There is a stair. We're going downstairs. We're going downstairs. Maybe. Stairs. Sorry. Stairs is scary. Oh, kidding. Look at this view though. Pretty view. Look at this view. Kidding. I'm going downstairs. Tra-la-la. So, now this video is for you guys. It's not for me. I don't like making it. I'm kidding. Yes, I was in a hotel for some days ago. It's pretty cool. And my boyfriend had some friends, and they were crazy too. There was a couple with us, and it was so funny because they saying like this. They say, why can you be like Maria? The guy saying, and the girl saying, why can you be like my boyfriend? You know, they want to switch partners. I hope for those people that they're just joking. I hope, because that was bad. That they want somebody else, you know. That's not good. We hope they're just joking around. If not, I'm feeling sorry for them. Okay, this view, here it comes. Vlogday with the monk. Yeah, I'm a monk. I'm not a Monkydoll. I changed the name to monk. Okay, I'm not kidding. I like to be chill, you know. I like to be chill. Why I like to be chill? I will tell you. Because my life has been stressed all my life. I've been stressed. That's why. That's why I like to be chill. Chill. That's why I deserve to be here, I think. The water. We're going to the water. Okay. There is the bus. Bus are going to Mole. Ooh. I don't want to go to Mole. I want to go down to the water, there I belong. I will maybe make some spaghetti, like the Italian spaghetti. Maybe. And yeah, what I did on the hotel was really fun. We was swimming, we was joking around, drinking too much alcohol. I have not been drinking alcohol in many months because I was sick, you know. I can handle alcohol, but suddenly I'm coming here. Suddenly I can drink again. I don't know. Maybe because this place is more chill, you know, not so much stress. So that's why maybe. With the view. Here is the view. Maybe here man can swim to the other side. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. Look at that view. Pretty cool view. I'm lucky to be here. Yes. Yes, I am. I don't know why I'm here. I don't know why God sent me over here. Why He wants me to be here. I don't know. But there's maybe a purpose for it, you know. You are always getting some places to do something, you know. I feel that going on some place you didn't know why I am here, like you're thinking. But I'm thinking it's a reason. And I'm gonna get my answer soon. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, guys. Do you like the view? I love the view. I was watching somebody making a video, you know, and saying you need to feel the nature. You need to feel everything you're doing, you know. Then life can be more magical if you're feeling it more, tasting it more, you know. Don't take for granted. Somebody was, if you are in the ocean, feel the ocean. If the sand and the rocks and the sun, you know, everything, then you're gonna fucking get a better life, my people. If you take this life for granted, take the day like it is, then you're gonna feel like shit, you know, guys. Why I'm saying that? Because I was that person when I was younger. I take this life for granted, and I know many of us is the same, like me. That's why I'm saying it. Time to wake up. Time to wake the fuck up. So now we're gonna go and say hello to my little friend Stefan. Kidding. He's a big man. Big grow ass man. He's a big grow ass. You can see boat over there. He working over there. It's the boat he working, but he is not there today. He is longer away. He working there today. So now everybody know what he's doing. I'm sorry. What the fuck? He getting a boat for himself now. Okay. You're a popular bitch. So now I'm gonna call our little friend, my best friend, boyfriend slash everything. Let us see if he will come out and play. Let us see. Let us see. Come out and play. I think I see him. He's over there. Let us go and hello to my little friend. now we can talk again. Okay. Säg hallå till min lilla vän. Så vad gör du där?
Jag och målar här.
Show folkens. Alder. Kjempebra jobba. Så nå så tenkte jeg at jeg skulle kjøpe spagetti. Er det greit? Ja. Tenker at det blir bedre det, så tar vi det andre i morgen.
Da bare tar du full pakke, 2 kjøttdeig,
Ja.
og så bare bruk 4 pakker.
Ok.
Kjøttdeig, saus altså.
Ja, det er greit. Det skal jeg gjøre. Thank you all for watching this video. And remember to subscribe and everything. We see each other again, I promise you. Take care now and bye.